Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save photos and video from Messenger automatically. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The photos and video received on Messenger from your friends are not being saved automatically by default. Messenger needs an option to be turned on. Download them. Also, when you capture a new picture or record a video using the Facebook Messenger and send it to another user, the picture or video won't be saved to your device automatically. So how if you want to save these photos and also videos automatically to your device? It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Messenger. Now you can choose on the conversation that you want to set the automatically save. Now you can open the profile page. You can scroll down on the more action section. There is an option save photos and videos. You can just tap on that. Here's by default this setting is disabled, but you can enable by tap on the toggle on here. So now Messenger will automatically save photos and videos that you receive in this chat to your camera roll on your device. And the photo and video saved to your device will not be encrypted. It's so simple, right? So that is how to save photos and video on Messenger automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.